Ever wondered how ultra-smooth, high-precision 3D prints are made? 1. Model data preparation. Slice the 3D model and add optimized support structures for precise printing. 2. Resin preparation. Load high-quality resin before printing to ensure consistent performance. 3. Laser curing. A UV laser follows precise paths, curing the resin layer by layer. 4. Part removal. Carefully remove the printed model from the platform to prevent damage. 5. Support removal. Clip off supports at connection points without damaging the model. 6. Alcohol cleaning. Remove uncured resin thoroughly via soaking or ultrasonic cleaning. 7. Secondary curing. Enhance part strength and stability with additional UV exposure. 8. Sanding. Achieve a smooth finish by sanding progressively with coarse to fine sandpaper. 9. Sandblasting. Create a uniform matte surface texture via controlled sandblasting. 10. Quality check. Inspect dimensional accuracy and surface finish to meet industry standards.